A second. Oh, keep stock. Oh, I know what it is. I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, you gotta open that.
Unpressure pressure.
So how long it take to fill it out?
Well, we'll soon find out, won't we?
So this is the container, right?
Yeah, that's the air. That's the air container there.
The air container, right? Okay.
Yeah, okay, we're doing fine now.
Below, underneath, row 6 below.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
It's pretty fun.
Yeah, it's just you can pump this up a hand pump. I did it the first time. It took like an hour. I was thinking, you get about 2,000 feet of size, you couldn't do it. You don't weigh it. I mean, I weigh a little.
So this probably take like 10 minutes
Oh, 5 minutes.
or 5 minutes. Oh really? That's pretty neat, man.
Is this what you do the high
I haven't used it yet, but I will.
What do you use?
It's not loaded, right? It's not loaded.
That's your right, huh?
It's not loaded, right?
No.
Oh, okay. Otherwise, boom, man.
I know.
I was scared.
I did
I
the
made
same.
sure.
Yeah.
I did the same.
I closed the bolt, but I made sure it wasn't loaded. Yeah, that thing, it would literally go right through you. It would not, it wouldn't slow down.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we definitely should go over there. You know, they have a good shooting range over there. This is just a small shooting range.
I'm good on the front.